Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain WEBEX mobile app review to save with what you're using. So to get started, WEBEX mobile is a powerful app designed to keep you connected on the go. It lets you join meetings, make calls, send messages, and collaborate with teammates directly from your phone or tablet. The app supports high definition videos and audio, calendar integration, and handy control like muting and sharing your screen, making it a convenient ways to stay productive whether you are in the office or traveling. But it's not perfect. Some people say the app can be a bit confusing to navigate and it sometimes lag or drop calls when the connection isn't strong. There is occasional bugs and glitches, and syncing messages across device isn't always reliable. So while WebEx Mobile is a strong tool for staying connected on the most, it may not be entirely smooth all the time. And that's it.